Welcome to the Trade Ideas Swing Pick channel. What we're going to do in this video is go over the channel and how to use it. First of all, TI Swing Picks is a relative strength algo in which we have back tested the combination of filters that we use to rank names. So the higher up in the list, the more strong this stock is relative to the rest of all of the stocks out there. Now we've tested rotating a portfolio in these names as opposed to holding the S&P 500 from 2018 to date. And also, we've been sending this live and tracking those results from 2021 to date. And under all periods, we have been outperforming the S&P 500. So these are great names to look at for long-term holds or investments or even just multi-day holds, because we know that there is a statistically significant chance these are going to outperform the market. So when clicking on the Swing Picks channel, you're first granted with this welcome screen right here that gives you access to the top 5 results that are sent to our clients each and every Sunday night so they can prepare for them a little bit. But if you want to check them out, they're right here. My thoughts of the market just above, a little quick line of what I think of the market, and then the top 5 names with levels of interest for entries and stop losses on these. You can also see these names right here, and as you click through them, you see the chart right here, updates, along with what we call a single stock window. So this is a data window, which will just tell you a little bit about the company, and then also a news panel here as well. Now on the bottom is the TI strength algorithm that is updating every 30 seconds. So if you are okay with just the 5 symbols a week that have been pulled out, that's fine. But what we want to do is we want to provide you these symbols that update every 30 seconds. Each of these that you'll click on, you will notice are in really strong uptrends for their periods of time. The idea is we know that trends persist in the market, so we want to buy the stocks in the strongest uptrends and ignore everything else.